Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Hedera price prediction and Hedera news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Hedera in 2022. Built as the trust layer of the internet, Hedera hashgraph is currently a public network that allows individuals and companies to build powerful decentralized applications, dApps. It is designed to be a fairer and more efficient system, able to remove some of the limitations faced by older blockchain platforms, such as slow performance and instability. It raised funding through an initial coin offering, ICO, in August 2018, and launched its mainnet open access for the first time just over a year later in September 2019. As part of the ICO, investors were able to purchase their own platform utility token, HBAR, at the lowest possible price. The HBAR token has a dual function on the Hedera public network. First, HBAR supports Hedera services such as smart contracts, file storage, and recurring transactions. Secondly, it is used to secure the network, as HBAR users can stake their own tokens to maintain the integrity of the platform. Today we have prepared news about the Hedera cryptocurrency for you. HBAR Foundation pledges $100M to support ELT-based sustainability projects. Hedera Hashgraph's HBAR Foundation announced yesterday the formation of a $100 million Sustainable Impact Fund, SIF. The funds will go towards solutions that utilize the Hedera DLT network and advance the UN Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. Our aims to address environmental woes. On March 10, distributed ledger business Hedera Hashgraph launched the Sustainable Impact Fund, SIF, a non-profit philanthropic arm that aims to support the development of climate-friendly solutions inside the Hedera ecosystem. An open-source blockchain business named Dovu, based in Wales, will get $100 million in funding to continue developing publicly accessible tools, such as their audit trail, to validate carbon offset data. Dovu's carbon-focused market capitalization platform, a supporter of the Crypto Climate Agreement, gathers a wealth of real-time quantitative data on all Ethereum-based projects, tracks and openly publishes their carbon debt based on transaction outputs, and proposes token prohibition measures through investments in Dovu's original property, DOV. USDC and Tether, USDT, are the top two stablecoins in terms of cost to offset valuations, with $64,514,997 and $11,361,957, respectively, while wrapped Ethereum, WETH, is in third place with $2,722,699. Dovu works with rural farming communities throughout the world to measure and report soil carbon concentration levels, establishing a circular economic model in which farmers have access to extract elements from the atmosphere and sell carbon credits. Returning it to the earth is highly recommended on the market. Hedera's board of directors approved the establishment of the HBAR Foundation in mid-September of last year following a successful vote 2 months earlier. First, council members decided to allocate $5.35 billion of the Hedera token's token treasury, a total value of $2.5 billion at the time, for investments in various initiatives and developers working to improve the ecosystem's growth. Based on their website's data metrics, the HBAR Foundation has granted approximately $32.1 million to 19 initiatives in 4 different industries, each of which relies on some component of the algorithm of Hedera consensus. Some of the areas covered by this fund include payments in financial technology, fintech, cryptography, the metaverse, and the new Sustainable Impact Fund. More than any other category, fully dissolved by 2022, according to Sunday. The decision was settled beforehand, back in July 25 this year. The revelation follows Sun's announcement that he has been appointed as ambassador of the Grenada government to the World Trade Organization in Geneva, a new role whose duties he would now take, going forward. Aside from his role as ex-CEO of Tron, Justin Sun is CEO of Rainberry Incorporated, which was formerly known as BitTorrent Incorporated, a technology company that developed the BitTorrent peer-to-peer protocol. Rainberry was later subsumed and acquired by Tron in 2018. According to Sun, the decision to step down from Tron was aimed for the greater benefit of society, such that having a founder of a thriving community abdicate all power over users, assets, and data would ultimately be beneficial to the community. Following the announcement, 3 supernodes, Justin Sun Tron BitTorrent and uTorrent, associated with Sun, will be removed and withdrawn from the Tron technical grid, effective immediately. In effect, the Tron community will be voting for 27 new super representatives to replace what Sun has left behind. Despite his departure from Tron, Sun promised that he will continue to support and encourage the development of Tron and its decentralized community. Sun has been a controversial figure in the crypto community, notwithstanding allegations of workplace harassment and copyright violations on the Tron white paper itself. Tron, which was touted as one of the first Layer 1 blockchains that were considered as Ethereum killers, has had a significant impact in the decentralized finance (DeFi) sector, and continues to grow its features and offerings on its own protocol. Tron Grand Hackathon 2022 takes off alongside the introduction of its new community forum. Last Thursday, Tron DAO and BitTorrent Chain, BTTC, announced the launch of the Tron Grand Hackathon 2022 and its first ever Tron DAO forum. Registration for the hackathon began appropriately on Valentine's Day, February 14, just in time to spread the love for new entrepreneurs, engineers, and designers, to have the chance to add to the advancement of, well, now we will move smoothly to forecasts for the near future and beyond. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid rise in prices and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is BitTorrent, BTT, a good investment? How much will BitTorrent cost in 2025 or how much will BitTorrent cost in 10 years? BTT, Price Prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for BTT will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will get much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $0.003 and a minimum bid of $0.003. The maximum bet is expected to be around $0.004. BTT, Price Prediction 2023. For a long-term forecast of the BitTorrent price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of BTT will rise to around $0.005 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $0.006 with a minimum price, $0.005 level. BitTorrent Price Prediction 2024 and 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, the price of BitTorrent will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $0.008 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.007 with a maximum price of $0.008 for 2024. BitTorrent Price Prediction 2025. It looks like by 2025, BitTorrent, BTT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be $0.010. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that BitTorrent's maximum price could reach up to $0.012 in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. BitTorrent Price Prediction 2026. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. BitTorrent could cross $0.018 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2026. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2026 will be around $0.015. BitTorrent Rate Prediction 2027. BTT has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in BitTorrent, the price could rise much higher. By 2027, it may reach a maximum value of $0.024. BTT is expected to reverse slightly